Hey folks, welcome you all to a new video. This is CA Ganesh Bharadwaj, and I'm very happy and excited to announce the launch of our CA Final Advanced Financial Management books. So guys, we have prepared four different books for advanced financial management. The first one is a concept decoder book. It has all the concepts of your CA Final AFM, right, neatly bifurcated into the practical concepts required for numerical solving and core theory topics chapter wise. We have done it. And then we have two volumes of solved question bank, volume 1 and the other one is volume 2. And each of these two volumes, basically we have divided the book into two since we didn't want it to become bulky. This solved question bank, it covers 100% of your ICI study material, past exam RTPs and MTPs, updated up to May 2026 attempt, recent attempt. Everything we have included here, and the question compilation is from 2018 onwards. At times, if I found some very good questions even before 2018, that also has been included here, right? I will walk you through the books, and finally, we also have prepared. One second. So yes, so finally we've also prepared, a solved, your case scenario booklet. This has your MCQ case scenarios. Once again, it covers the entire ICI booklet on MCQs as well as it covers your RTP and past exam MCQs, right? We have made a compilation neatly bifurcated. Now, guys, guess what? I am releasing all the four books as a free PDF on our website costfin.in, right? So it is being released free of cost on our website, and yes, you guys can download. It's not a sample PDF, the entire book has been uploaded. So I think this is being something that we're doing for the very first time. I don't think anyone would have uploaded the entire book on their website, but the main reason is that we wanted this book to reach as many students as possible, because at the end of the day, the students fraternity should get benefited, and you will definitely look at the kind of work that has gone into it. I will walk you through the books, but before that, sir, where do we download these books? So you can just go to our website costfin.in. So go to the browser and type costfin.in. So, and you can go to their website, and here if you see on the top section, you can see free resources, right? So you can click on the free resources under that CA final, and you will find this AFM ebooks here, right? And of course it will ask you to log in. You just need to enter your mobile number and OTP there. So I'm clicking on this. Now look at this, guys. All the four books, the concept decoder, solved question bank volume 1, volume 2, and your MCQ case scenarios booklet. You can just click on this. Automatically you will be able to view the entire PDF version here, and it can be downloaded as well, right? Now guys, this book, more specifically the concept decoder book, and of course the other books also, it was more like a dream project for me, where it took a lot of time to prepare this. A lot of research has gone into it, and I will walk you through these books. The first one is concept decoder book. Now here if you see, now in the first page I have actually given a brief introduction to the reader, right? What this book says: single source of your AFM preparation, covers all the ICI concepts, formulas, core theories, everything is distinctly done. And we have also included something called as doubt busters and fun facts, right? What are they? I'll come to it, right? And of course this is prepared based on CA final syllabus. If you're a CMA final student, you can also definitely make the best use of this book, right? And yes, guys, now, and before the start of the book, actually I have something called as a foreword here. What is a foreword? Basically this foreword was written by my costing and FM faculty guru, Shri V.N. Prabhakar sir. He's a triplet, CA CMA CS. He's an all India second ranker in his final. He's about 65-70 years old, and I learned the subject financial management from him. He was actually a practicing stockbroker. He had a stockbroking license, and he used to have trading terminals, and he used to show us. We used to go to his house and learn, and that's how actually I learned the subject. So I owe it to him, and he was kind enough to go through this entire book and write his comments on that, right? Generally a foreword is something which is written by a person who is expert in a field, and he writes his thoughts about the book. This is what it is, and you guys can go through it in your free time. And I've also written a preface. This is basically an introduction written by me to the reader, and of course the acknowledgements part and significant contributions to this book. Of course I worked, I'm not denying that, but of course my wife Shruti Balasubramaniam, she's also a chartered accountant, and she helped me a lot with the research work and other things, right? So definitely I have to give it to her as well, right? Anyways guys, you can go through all of this in your free time. And guys, the book, if you see all the chapters, we have actually neatly classified it here in a very logical way. And the first chapter is basics of finance. These are some basics that you definitely need to know, predominantly time value of money and your stock market basics. I've also included it here. And if you go into the chapters, let me randomly take a chapter, portfolio management. Okay, and I'm taking this chapter. If you see, I would have already annotated. We have started the regular batch, so during the batch I would have actually annotated all these things. Every chapter we have a chapter introduction, a chapter overview, what the big picture of this chapter, we have kept it here, and then one by one, part by part, inside every part we have concept by concept, and inside every concept, formula by formula, we would have built the subject. That's how we have done it. And guys, look at this. For formula section, we have a separate bar here, so that the day before your exam, when you are actually reading this book, all these formulas will separately pop up, and it will be easy for you to revise the day before your exam, right? So this actually is being done keeping in mind the requirements of the students, right? And after every concept, I have a segment called as doubt busters, right? These are the commonly committed mistakes by students, and these, I have created these doubts and I have answered to it, and I've told you how to actually overcome the mistakes in exam. Every single concept, wherever I feel students commit a mistake, I would have kept a doubt buster segment under that. And one more thing guys, we also have something called as a fun fact, right? And all these things, I think this is the first time ever I think a book has been prepared on AFM keeping all these fun facts and other things and all. I think so, right? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section as well. So here, let's say bell curve magic. Now this is not something outside of your syllabus. So there's something called as a bell curve pattern that actually gets created when you are distributing all the data, which we'll be seeing in our classes, right? And this is actually something that you need to know before you actually get into the logical understanding of, let's say, a concept called standard deviation, right? So how do you interpret standard deviation? It's based on the normal distribution table, a bell curve pattern. We'll be seeing that during the lectures, but those things I've put it as a fun fact so that it will enhance your level of understanding, right? And guys, this is how we have prepared the book. See all the formulas, doubt busters, fun facts, everything is there, keeping in mind the requirements of the exam. So don't think it's some some comic kind of thing we have done and some random coloring. Well researched. Everywhere we would have built the subject from the scratch. For example, single security risk. Risk is defined as a deviation of actual return from its expected return. The wider range of possible surprises, the higher the risk. We have actually created it from the scratch. Now sir, is this a self-study book? The answer is no. Because I consider myself as a teacher, not as an author. So the knowledge transfer happens through the lectures, and if you are using this book along with the lectures, absolutely this will give you the best value addition ever, and I can assure you on that, right? Because for example, there is a formula here, but what is the derivation of the formula? Why was there a requirement for this formula? All these things we'll be seeing during the lectures, and interlinking this formula will once again use it, right? Maybe in a later on chapter called advanced capital budgeting, like we have standard deviation concepts there. But why do we use it? How do we use it? What is the context? All these things are explained during the classes, and instead of dictating certain things, I have actually compiled this material, that too in a very, very proper and a structured manner, where it actually enhances your learning experience, and especially the day before your exam when you are revising it, you will be at your fingertips, right? That is something that I wanted to share with you all. And guys, one more thing, all these books, the 4 set of books, right, we'll be making it available soon on our website with respect to the hard copy purchases, right? Now the soft copies are available free of cost. You can download it. It will be available on the books section of our website. On the top, if you can see, books section. As of now, only CA Inter books are there. CA final AFM book, I'll be launching it in the next couple of days maximum. And guys, guess what? Guess what? Now we are planning to give all the 4 books as color books, and that too at a nominal price. That is, if you take a printout of all these 4 books in a black and white, it will cost much more than what you can find on our website for the color books. That includes a delivery cost at your doorstep, right? So how could you do that? Simple. We are printing it in bulk. We struck a deal with a good vendor, and the quality of the books are top notch, right? And the quality of the printing, the paper quality, everything is top notch. And since we are doing it in bulk, we got a lot of cost concession, which we are just passing it on to the student. Guys, my objective is that our book should reach every single student, because I feel, for a subject like AFM, right, if someone is able to simplify the subject like this, I think it will definitely benefit the entire student fraternity. And I want, that's my hope, this is my vision, that this book should reach every single student, right? That's something that I wanted as, I would say, a dream come true moment for me. So I want this book to reach every single student so that they can benefit out of it. That's the main reason why we are doing this, right, guys? So this is about our concept book. And regarding the solved question bank, so here what happens now, here once again I've given a brief introduction here. You guys can go through it later on once you download the book. And here I have bifurcated this entire question bank into volume 1 and volume 2. This is just so that instead of giving it as a single book, if you divide it into 2, the books will not be bulky. For that purpose alone we have done it. And guys, if you see, for every single chapter I would have given references. How many sums we are taking from ICI? Entire your illustrations plus test your knowledge. Everything comes here. Then MRP questions. What is MRP? MTP, RTP, and past exam papers, right? And the total number of questions, I put it here as a tab, plus theory questions. If you notice, a total of 321 questions. These many questions are only there in your institute study material. That is illustration plus TYK. Plus 210 MRP questions. We are adding a total of 531 numerical problems after avoiding repetitions. If I don't, avoid repetitions, I can also say my book has about 800, 900, sums. No, if there is a question that was there in both your institute study material as well as RTP, we'll give 2 reference under the same question. So we will not repeat, so that it's not a waste of time for you. Is that clear? Hence, I can say 531 unique problems are there in our book. This covers 100% of your entire syllabus, and over and above this, we have 108 theory questions. Right? Let me quickly walk you through here. Let me once again take this portfolio management chapter. Now look at this, how we've started. Chapters there. First we have all the illustration questions. So if you notice in this illustration, ICI questions, the background color is slightly greenish yellow color. The background of the question. Right? We have all these questions here. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I think 9 questions from illustrations. Then once these 9 questions are over, then we have test your knowledge. This is also from ICA study material. Hence, we have retained the same background color here, right? So the numbering will go on. I think for this chapter, we were just doing this chapter today. So I think a lot of questions, more than 42 TYK questions there in this chapter. It's one of the big chapters, by the way. So let me just go down. 1 second. I will take this here. Okay. Now, yes, we have gone up. Okay. So now, once the TYK questions are over, right? So there are 42 test your knowledge questions from ICA study material. After this, if you see, we have questions from MRP. MRP stands for what? MTP, RTP, and PYPs. Here, the color is slightly different. It's bluish color. So looking at the background color itself, you guys will know, what is the source from which we have picked. This is what we have done for every single chapter. We have done this. Right, and under this question itself, we are clearly mentioning the source of the question, right? From where from we have picked it, right? Where from we have picked it, everything is there. If it's a study material question, if you notice here, if it's a study material question, right? So now, after the question is over, look at this at the bottom. You're seeing ICA study material test your knowledge. This was also there in RTP, also there in RTP May 2020, and also there in RTP November 2021, which means instead of repeating this question 3 times, same question, we have compiled this and we have put it as what? As a single question and given the references. So it will be easy for the students. If there are more references to it, it means that the question is much more important and it's repeating in ICA publications, right? This is another value addition for you. You will be able to judge the importance of the question based on the number of times it actually appears in the exam. So all these work has gone. And by the way, guys, to compile this, it took us a lot of time, because you have to go through every single question to compile and avoid repetitions. So this is what we have done here, right? Similar case for volume 2 as well. And for case scenario based questions, look at this. For case scenario based questions, now what we have done, case scenarios from ICA booklet, and then once again from MRP category, we have done it separately. This is not chapter wise, because even in ICA booklet it is not chapter wise. Case scenario 1, they have given it, and look how we have done. We have neatly put it into different boxes, question 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 under that, and then comes the solutions. Is that clear? And all these things will be discussed in our regular batch, right? We will be discussing everything in a regular batch, in our exam oriented batch. So we will be discussing the entire solved question bank, and selected MRP questions we will be discussing, right? And in our regular batch, we will be discussing the entire ICA study material plus MRP, plus we will also be doing this the case scenario based MCQs. Every single thing will be covered in the classroom, right? So that is what we are going to do. And guys, these books used along with our lectures, trust me, 200% I can say this is super sufficient from your exam preparation perspective. And of course, once the hard copies get released, I will definitely make another video and update you guys about it. Trust me, guys, the quality of this hard copies, once you actually hold the hard copy, you will know the difference, right? You will actually be able to spot the difference. In fact, in the concept book, we are using separate colors for the headers, because when you're seeing the book from the side, the colors will change. So based on that, you will be able to judge that there is a new chapter that is getting changed every time. So all these things, we have taken care of micro level details, so that students are finding it extremely easy when they are preparing and using these books along with our lectures. So this is the basic objective behind us doing it, right? So I'm sure you guys find this very useful. Please do let me know your thoughts on the comment section, right? And you can just go now and download these books from our website costfin.in, and do not forget to actually let me know your thoughts, because I value your thoughts more than anyone else. So please do let me know in the comment section as to how you feel about these books, right, guys? So on that note, I'm signing off in this video. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you all so much. Bye-bye.